Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Theta network. So before starting this video, I request you to click the subscribe button right now for more new update and all cryptocurrencies news. So let's see the live price prediction of Theta network. Last 1 hour live price prediction you are watching now on ABS Take channel. Click the subscribe button please. Oh my god, it's buying time. I think it's buying time. As you can see now, the change is positive 1.6% change going up in the Theta network, and the high change is $14.87 or the high change of Theta network, and that is the live price prediction of 24 March 2021 and last 1 hour live price prediction you are watching now. I think it's buying time of Theta network because at this time they are going down. As you can see here, they are going down. As you can see here, after this period they are going down, as you can see on the chart of on the graph of Theta network price prediction. You can see here, and that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. You can see last 1 hour they are going down. They are going down. I said this is buying time. Buy the Theta network, you are in benefit, I think. So that is the live price prediction of Theta network we are watching now. Click the subscribe button right now for more new latest update and news. Every hour I update you every bad news and good news of every cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much for watching this video.